everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have my Macys Beauty Box for the month of August. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before we get into the box, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. Welcome, my name is Ayesha. I do lots of unboxings on this channel, majority all makeup subscription boxes related, and I also do lots of hauls. If this is things that you guys like to watch, then I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And if you like my video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel. And if you really love it, then I would say subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, so let's get into the box. So when you open this box up, it's really weird. Hold on. Alright, so I just opened the box. And it's so weird when you open the box, the whole box pretty much comes apart. Like so. But that's the box. And lately, they've been putting everything in a bag. So this is the bag. They give you a card that tells you what's inside the box. And then they normally give you like a coupon that you can use on a purchase in cosmetics and Macy's. This makeup subscription box retails for $15, which I think is an amazing deal for like what you get. For starters, I love the bag. It's giving me summer vibes. It's orange and pink. I love pink. That's my favorite color. So far I'm here for it. It's a see-through bag, which is nice. Sometimes you don't want to shuffle through your bag, so you can see everything right through the bag. Pink tissue paper, which I love. Sneak peek. Alrighty, so the first thing I see here is a cleansing oil by Mario Badescu. My skin is more oily, but I do like using cleansing oil sometimes to help like melt my makeup off before I like thoroughly wash my face. So I definitely will enjoy using this. The next thing I got is a Laura Geller baked highlighter in French vanilla. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna look good on my skin tone. This is what it looks like. It's really like chalky, but maybe I could use it for my kit. Okay, so these are the two items I got so far. I like that they always give a men and women's fragrance, which is strategic of them because when you buy this, they're not cheap, so they get their money back. So I got a Coach Woman and a Coach Men scent. So let's smell the Coach Woman. See, this is called Coach Dreams Sunset. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna spray it. Does it say what it smells like? Jasmine and tatanka beans. Oh, it smells good. I would wear this. It's sweet. It's sweet. I do like that. So that's the woman's, and then the men's they gave me. It just says Coach Blue. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells nice. That smells nice. Very, very nice. I like the fragrances. I always love the fragrances that they give us though. Okay, so what else did we get? I got a Glam Glow but it's this Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in a nude glow. This is what she looks like. I got a Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. I do not use any tanning products, so I probably would give this away, but it's all the way down here. Like, it's all the way, there's like nothing up here. So, I don't know if you guys can see. Well, you won't be able to see it on camera because I'm looking in a viewfinder. But it starts like down, all the way down here. Like, there's nothing up here, which is weird. I don't know if it opened or what, but there's nothing, it starts like down here. But I wasn't going to use it anyway, so it's fine. Oh, but it says Pina Colada stand. I love Pina Coladas. Oh, it is sealed though, but that's just weird that they didn't start it. Like, it's not fully, it's not a full size of a sample size. Alrighty, the next thing I got is from Caudalie. It's a Radiant Serum, which I've heard a lot of good things about this Radiant Serum. This is what it looks like. And that's really about it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 7 items for $15. I think that is not too shabby at all. Like I said, the box is only $15. So to get all these items is amazing. And if you do use a coupon, you get $5 off a cosmetic or fragrance item in Macys. So you then in reality, you only spend $10 on the box, which is great. I honestly never really even use the coupons because you guys know I have so much junk from just having all these subscription boxes. But for people who don't have like a big collection as myself, then that $5 comes in handy and you can use it toward any beauty product in cosmetics or fragrances in Macys. So I'm actually really excited. What was I most excited about? I would say like the cleansing oil and the perfume. I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, you can't complain for $15. This is like a picture overall of like everything that I got in a nice little picture here. What did you guys think about this box? Does anybody of my subscribers subscribe to the Macys Beauty Box? I'm really happy that I subscribed to this box. Like I said in the past, this is one of my favorite boxes. Let me know what you guys think about this box in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.